Being outside in nature has numerous benefits, including reduced stress levels, improved mood, enhanced creativity, and increased physical activity. Exposure to natural environments is also linked to better concentration, lower blood pressure, and overall improved mental well-being. Spending time in nature offers a range of benefits. Stress reduction. Nature has a calming effect, reducing cortisol levels and promoting relaxation. Mood improvement. Exposure to natural surroundings can elevate mood and alleviate symptoms of depression. Enhance creativity. Time in nature has been shown to boost creativity and problem-solving skills. Increased vitamin D. Sunlight exposure outdoors helps the body produce vitamin D, essential for bone health. Improved concentration. Nature settings have been linked to increased attention spans and better cognitive function. Physical activity. Outdoor activities encourage exercise, contributing to better physical health. Better sleep. Exposure to natural light and fresh air can positively impact sleep quality. Immune system boost. Regular outdoor activities may enhance the immune system's functioning. Connection with others. Nature can provide a conducive environment for social interactions, fostering relationships. Appreciation for the environment. Spending time in nature promotes environmental awareness and a sense of responsibility towards conservation.